Hi buns, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make cute character with a touch of rainbows. Now let's get into baking our kawaii character. Are you guys excited? Cause I am. Now I'm gonna give her a cute hairstyle. Cute hairstyle is the main base of cute kawaii character. You can choose any hairstyle you like. Now let's dye her hair. Dyeing will help you bake a cute character. Now let's try to bake more cute hairstyle for her. Now let's start with making her eyes look cute by using rainbow cream. Coloring your character eye is also important. Now that the character base is complete, now we will give her cute outfit and accessories. Me and Moon have stolen lots of cute clothes for our new friend. Let's choose cute outfits and accessories. Now finally our character is finished. That's how she look like. She is super cute. Now guys, you suggest a cute name for her.